Hi, and today we're going to be talking about the idiom herding cats. Not hurting, that's mean. Herding. Make sure you're making the D sound at the end of that word. Herding cats. Okay. If you look over here, this gives you an idea of what the literal meaning of herding cats might mean. Okay, so first let's talk about what the word herd means. A herd could be a noun that describes a large group, particularly animals. This is a herd of elephants, meaning multiple elephants. Usually a herd would be like a group that stays together. So if you refer to a group of people as being a herd, you would be referring to people who are always together. They're kind of a group that stays together. But remember, herd is usually used to describe animals, and if you were to use it to describe humans, you're kind of trying to draw a comparison. You're saying they're animal-like and they want to group together the same type of people like them. Herding, the verb, means to gather, or to, usually this is referenced to livestock. So if you look over here, this boy is gathering up all the goats. He's making sure they're all together. And often this would be to transport animals, right? We would herd animals to transport them. And if you are from the United States and this is your job, you are called a cowboy usually. Okay, what does the idiom mean? Okay, so if something is like herding cats, it means it was a useless attempt at organizing a situation that is just naturally unorganized or uncontrollable. So here's my example. Here's a group of kids. They're all wanting to do their own thing, right? So trying to get a group of 2-year-olds to sit and play quietly is like herding cats. I have a 2-year-old, and just trying to get one 2-year-old to sit down quietly is hard. I can't imagine what it would be like trying to get a whole room full of 2-year-olds to sit down and be quiet would be like. I imagine it would be uncontrollable chaos, or like herding cats, if you will. Herding cats. Now let's try it. You want to write a comparison here. Blank was like herding cats. Blank was as easy as herding cats. And don't get get confused here where it says as easy as. I'm saying that like being sarcastic, meaning it was in fact not easy. So go ahead and try your example sentence here. Leave me a comment with it, or if you're one of my students, this will be one of your assignments. You'll type out a sentence with this saying. All right, good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.